Holy crap, it's a cold one today. Started a little later today from the house. I've never left the house in the daylight for a fishing charter. It's 40 degrees out. I'm not sure if you can see my breath, but I can see my breath. It is freaking cold today. So, taking my boat out today. Probably fish the river. See what we find and not freeze. Here we go. $37 degrees. It's almost 7:30 now. Just now leaving. $37 degrees. That is freaking cold. I hope it warms up fast today. I don't want to be out there in 40 degrees all day long. It says 20 knots too. That is freaking cold. There's ice on my boat. There's ice on my truck. 37 degrees. And it's already 7:30. Hasn't warmed up much. Hopefully it warms up by the time we get there. It's a nice sunny day, so hopefully that sun on us. My biggest concern is the wind. You know, mid 40s, low 50s isn't as bad when the sun is beating on you, but 20-mile-an-hour wind at 40 degrees, that ain't fun. So, we'll see what happens. Hopefully these fish cooperate today and make it worth it. I'm waiting for it to warm up a little bit. Still a little chilly out here. Going to a beautiful Yankee town. See what we find. Might be a small redfish.
Head shake to it.
There's a redfish.
No, that's a good one.
Yep, small red. Little baby redfish. We got the right species now, so we know where they are. They're sitting on that shallow drop off right there. Nice. So we found the pocket of redfish now. These guys are watching us. Oh, that's not a net. That's a little guy. Alright, we found the pile of them. So this is why I call it the redfish hole. Once you find one, you can just catch them every cast. And we got to find the bigger one. He'll be in there somewhere. The beauty of being so close to the bait shop is you run out of shrimp, you just go back and get more bait. Alright, so there's... See where the rocks end? There's like a ledge about right there. That's like the sweet spot. Just try to memorize that spot. I'll try to get a mud minnow back out there. Should be a pile of fish. Oh, that was a nice bite. They're small, but they're fun to catch when you catch 100 of them. We just got to find the bigger fish in there. Oh, look at the shark following them.
Oh. No, this is bitten.
Why is a shark in fresh water?
Holy cow.
What the? I've never seen that before. That's a first. It's like a 15. He's a little small. Can't see your rod. Oh, you got a fish on. That's a good one?
Oh, it's pretty
Nice, scrappy.
for me.
Hey,
Looks like a very good one.
yeah, that one's almost a keeper. Don't yeah, try not to reel the swivel into my pole. Lift your rod.
What do you do?
That's a keeper. So you've reeled it like 4. See this thing? That should never pass the end of the pole.
Okay.
So try to open the bail. That's how my eyes get ripped out of my rods. There you go. So that's your stopping point, and then just lift the rod. So that way it gives me a chance to grab the line, and I can flip them in.
Okay.
Yes, that's one.
That's a keeper. That's a 20-incher. So this is what we came for right here.
Yeah.
Yep.
Try to reel a little faster. He's swimming at you. He's not fighting much, is he? He's swimming at you. Alright, just keep that rod bent. That's a good fish. That's a red. There you go. Oh, you're under him. Alright, you're over. Okay, there you go. I'm gonna go around you. Not that big, but that's the pocket.
She's not that small, but
Oh, when he first hit it, it felt like a bigger fish. Bigger than a snapper.
yeah, definitely bigger.
Feels like a small black drum. Sheep.
Sheephead.
Little tiny one. That baby sheep's head.
That's a baby?
This thing is the smallest one I've ever seen.
Really? Oh, it's probably the biggest one.
I don't even think this is a keeper.
Over your bail.
Oh, sorry.
That is a tiny sheep's head. I'm used to, this one's barely 12 if he is 12. See, he's not even a keeper. Oh wait, he is.
Yep.
No, he's 12 and a half. Okay.
Yep.
I can barely see the 12. Yeah, so he's a keeper. Cool little fish.
Yeah?
You want a picture of him? What do you do when you break your steering? We're moving.
Gonna get her done.
Let's see how it works on a plane. That's a good fish. Hell yeah. Look at him. That's a good one. There you go. I got another one for the cooler. Tell you just gotta be patient. You'll find fish. Get him away from the trolling motor. There you go. Good fish. Don't reel that swivel into the pole. When you get close to it, just lift. Alright, pull him this way. Pull him in fast. Good fish. About the same size as the one earlier.
That's a nice fish.
Maybe a little longer. Actually, I think it is a little bit bigger. My guess is 21. You got a fish?
Yeah.
Alright, that didn't take long. We just had to switch over to a circle hook, huh? It sounded big. Not very big. You're going to that rod. Is it another keeper?
No, okay.
Okay. And that was on a shrimp?
Yep.
Baby redfish. That cork was literally swimming sideways. I thought,
Mine took up there.
you got another one? You got the, it's still under. There you go, big fish. Nice. Nice. All right.
Yeah, it's a good one.
All right, let me reel this one in then. He's keeping the cork under. He must be a good size. All right, lift it toward you. There you go. Get the rod a little closer to the water so it hit me in the face. There you go. That's a big one. Yeah, keep him. He's right in the sun. I can't see him at all.
There he is.
That's another keeper. All right, we got our limit. Now the rest of the day's for fun. See, I told you the 3 reds would be easy. Is it?
Snook.
Yeah. That's why I got the mud minnow out there. I'm hoping to get our snook on that thing. That's a snook. Where's the nut?
Better I'll get that one. I got it.
I think he ate a bare hook. I don't think there was any bait on that.
You probably went after it after you seen the.
Yeah, he was chasing it. That's a baby snook.
What's the size on that?
Oh, it's way too small. It's a baby. That's a snook though.
That's a baby?
That is freaking tiny. Snook have to be 28 inches to keep.
Oh, wow.
This is like 16.
That's pretty cool.
I knew it was a snook when I saw him jump out of the water. That was strange. I think it was just a bare hook. It is tiny. Yeah, he's only 16 inches. You don't want a picture of that, do you? Little baby.
Yank it.
Yeah, just reel.
Sorry.
You got him. Big fish. Good job.
Oh, I think I lost him.
Nope, he's under mine. I think a snook. You got a fish too?
Yep.
Hell yeah, the fish are biting now. Alright, you go to the right.
mine.
No, he's not. He's swimming. Just reel.
Lost him.
Sure?
He's going. He's swimming fast. That's another snook. And you caught them all by yourself. Snooky. That means we probably have a pile of snook out there. They're all tiny little guys.
Oh, yeah, he's little.
Yeah, but there's probably a full stack of them. Yeah, they're warming up a little bit. It's like right when we got our limit of reds that we start catching other fish. It's a monster, dude. Let's hope for a bigger snook, no more redfish. There you go. Alright, start pulling hard left. He's not gonna be a keeper snook, it just might be a decent redfish. He's diving like a good red. Let's hope for black drum. Alright. Oh, that's a big red. Good redfish. Well, we found the pocket of reds we were looking for all day. This is the fish we wanted. Jeez, that is a solid fish right there. This is a lot bigger than the last one.
Is it? I think so.
It feels girthier.
He is a stronger fight.
Yeah, he feels girthier. No, he's just same 20 and 3/4. Wow. That is
It's a good fight.
20 and 3/4.
Oh.
Here goes another fish we're letting go. Stir. Here goes another redfish. Wow, she's got a big fish. This might be the snook. Alright, I hear a lot of drag going, so that means you're reeling too much. Alright. Try to lift. I see red. It's just a small red. It's not even a big one.
It is?
Yeah, he's not even big. It's a baby red.
He's definitely fighting.
No, she's coming over here. Oh, it's not. It is a good one. Oh, we got a school of them. All right, don't reel anymore. Just lift. There you go.
Wow.
All right, open the bill.
He's a good one.
The last 3 were good ones. Now we've had a good day.
That's a view. Yep.
Now we had 5 of these big boys. That's a good fish. Put up a good fight, didn't he?
Yeah, he did.
This is a bigger fish. I think this one is. I keep thinking the last 3 were good. They're just fat.
Yeah, they're good. They've been eating good.
They're girthy. They're not that long, but they got weight to them.
Yep. Yeah, that's a nice. That's probably the biggest one.
Oh yeah, 22. Jiggle your cork, sometimes it gets attention. You got it? There you go, good fish. What is that little thing?
Yep, got a baby one this time.
Yeah, that's a baby. Just like what we were catching earlier.
Oh gosh, that's little.
Oh, that's a lot smaller than the last couple. He's like, where did my big brother go? There it goes. You popped it and you ate it. That's funny. Another good one? Little dink.
That one's little.
It's 17 inches. And he was way out?
Yeah.
That's funny. They're sitting on about 5 foot of water. Good fish. Not a good one? That's coming in easy. You can flip that one in the boat. Yeah, that's only a 16 incher. Here. It looks like you're snagged on a rock. Give yours a jiggle. You don't see this very often. Moving now. We caught fish though.
Yeah, we got a good day. Good day.